Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family.
Hello, you're with Libby from LibbyStamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and today I thought I'd talk to you about cutting your designer series paper or pattern paper to get the most out of it. So we're going to take a look at this one from the Magnolia Lane suite, and it's striped on one side. So normally you'd want your stripes going up and down. So for this piece of designer series paper, we're going to cut it at 10 centimetres. So cut it at 10 and you'll get 3 strips of 10 out of that. And then you're going to cut it at 14.4 and that will fit nicely on a card front. And then again at 14.4. So you've got 2 pieces out of that one strip. Keep this piece, you can use it to banner cut or use it as little ribbons, and this will fit on your card blank quite nicely. So if I bring in a portrait card, that'll fit nicely on there. If I turn it landscape, it'll still fit nicely. I can flip it over and you can have it landscape that way or portrait that way. It will also fit nicely on a tall card, so a tall portrait card. So again, like that, or like that. And of course, if you have a tall one and you've turned it landscape, it'll fit nicely on there as well. Alright, so that's how to get the most out of your designer series paper when cutting it for card fronts. You can buy all these products in my online store and I'd love you to shop with me. Thanks so much for stopping by today. We've used the Magnolia Lane Suite designer series paper. Alright, that's it from me today. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.